Welcome back to our channel, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Calathea, beautiful plants that are perfect for adding a touch of tropical elegance to your home. Let's explore 15 stunning Calathea varieties that you need to know. First up is the Calathea ornata, also known as the pinstripe plant. Its striking pink stripes on dark green leaves make it a favorite among houseplant lovers. Next, we have the Calathea zebrina, or zebra plant. With its large, velvety leaves and bold zebra-like stripes, this plant is sure to turn heads. Meet the Calathea medallion. Known for its round, ornate leaves, it features a stunning pattern that resembles a medallion. Here's the Calathea lancifolia, commonly referred to as the rattlesnake plant. Its long, narrow leaves with wavy edges create a unique look. Next is the Calathea roseopicta, or rose-painted Calathea. This variety showcases deep green leaves with bright pink and white markings. Introducing the Calathea makoyana, known as the peacock plant. Its beautifully patterned leaves mimic the plumage of a peacock. Here we have the Calathea warskiewiczi. This variety features large, elongated leaves with striking dark and light green stripes. Meet the Calathea mosaica, often called the network plant. Its unique mosaic pattern adds a modern touch to any space. Next is the Calathea crocata, or eternal flame plant. It produces bright orange flowers and has dark green foliage. Here's Calathea dotty. With its dark green leaves and bright pink edges, it's a striking addition to any collection. Meet Calathea sanguinea, known for its red and green leaves that add a vibrant pop of color. Say hello to Calathea freddi. This variety has dark green patterns and a unique leaf shape that stands out. Introducing Calathea orbifolia. Its large, round leaves with light green stripes are simply stunning. Next, we have Calathea pinstripe, similar to Calathea ornata, with bold white pinstripes against a dark background. Finally, meet Calathea silverstar. Its silvery green leaves with a distinctive pattern add elegance to any setting. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the beautiful world of Calathea. Which variety is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!